Getting started with Deckoholic is really easy. When you first log in, you'll see this record video button and no content over here just yet. Now, while you can start by uploading a video, I suggest you click here first. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can add this extension to your Chrome. We're actually using the Deckoholic Chrome extension right now to record this very video. Once you have the extension installed, it'll check your login, and if it says System Ready, you're all set to start recording. When you start recording, just share your dashboard. Then you can navigate around and describe what's happening, just like you normally would. Once you're done recording your screen, you can stop the recording. As soon as you do, you'll be redirected to the editor, which will look something like this. This is exactly what it looks like when you land in the editor. You'll see a Generate Script button right here. But before we get to that, if you want to play and preview your original recording, you can do that from here. Let's say you took some long pauses during the video, or there are unnecessary parts you want to trim. You can do that right now. And don't worry, even if you don't do it now, you can easily trim it later on too. You can also split and delete these blocks. For this video, I don't have anything to trim, so I'm just going to go ahead and generate script. This usually takes up to 45 seconds because it's cleaning up your original transcript. It's removing all the pauses, filler words, and anything unnecessary from the original. Then it generates an enhanced script for you. And here we go. We've got the first cut of our script. The reason Deckoholic lets you edit the script is because sometimes brand names or technical details can be wrong. If they are, you can easily update them. Now, I could manually type and update this script. But, being a little lazy, I'm going to use the Enhanced Script Again feature. I'll just tell the AI the brand name is Deckoholic and give it the correct spelling. I'll also ask it to make the script more conversational and more enthusiastic. After that, you just wait about 30 seconds, and all the changes you requested will get applied to the script. Okay, I can see the new script is pretty good. I do notice a few small problems here and there, but I'm going to leave them for now. That's because Deckoholic lets me fix them later on too. So you might have noticed that I just clicked on the Generate Final Video button, which is now processing the video. During this step, your voiceover is getting a major upgrade from the original, with all its pauses. You'll get an AI-enhanced voiceover, and we've also added intelligent zooms. You can see these little segments right here. Those are the intelligent zooms. Now let me play this video for you as an example. You'll also notice that captions have been added to the video. And the great thing is, these subtitles are completely customizable to match your branding needs. You can change their size, and you can even change the word count per group. This means you can control the number of words you want to see at a time as the captions appear. That's all adjustable. Now, let me show you those zoom segments. As I play the video, you'll see the zoom happens all by itself. It's pretty cool, these zooms have been added automatically. You can see all these different zooms, even over here on this longer segment of the zoom. If you want to adjust these zooms, you totally can. You can change the zoom level, the zoom speed, and even the position, though Deckoholic usually gets it right automatically most of the time. But you can just hold this, play around on this slate, and adjust your zoom exactly how you want it. What Deckoholic also allows you to do is a camera pan movement, which is a feature you usually only find in very large software. Within the same zoom segment, you can add different pan points. What this does is it lets you create multiple movements within a single zoom. So, as I play this now, you'll see the zoom happens here first. Then, it smoothly moves to another section of the video, and after that, it moves down. These panning zooms are really helpful when you're explaining one part of a feature that requires you to move around the screen. It's much better than zooming in, zooming out, and then zooming back in again. This just makes everything look more professional. We've got a lot of other features like this, so I'll quickly go through them. First up, you can add chapters in between. Think of these as slides. If you want to add chapters in your video, you can do that right from here, and you can even preview them. Next, we already went through subtitles. So let's look at elements, where you can add things like a blur. For example, let's say you're filling a form and want to hide where you enter a password. You can just use blur for that. You also have the AI avatar. With this, you can add an avatar to your video, adjust its size, and create different avatar segments. You can even make it full screen or add backgrounds to it. You can also turn the avatar on and off by adding multiple segments, as many as you want. This is great for times when there's some important information on screen you don't want to cover. So during those moments, you can just turn it off. We've already discussed zoom, so let's move on to branding. Here, you can add intro and outro slides and preview them. You can also add your logo as well to make your video look more professional. You can enter a title and subtitle for these slides. And just like everything else, this is completely customizable. There are also plenty of templates for you to go through. Now let's talk about making changes that you might have missed when we were editing the original script. For example, let's say instead of AI after element, I wanted it to say AI avatar. It's incorrect here, and I forgot to fix it earlier. No problem, I can just change this over here. There we go, AI avatar. Everything looks fine to me now. I'll save it and then reprocess. Here's the cool part. This doesn't regenerate the entire voiceover for you. It only generates that specific part of the voiceover, as you can see right here. And now, when I play it, you'll hear it says AI avatar instead of AI after element, which was wrong. And that's part 1 of getting started with Deckoholic. In the next video, we'll talk about even more features. By the way, once you're happy with everything, you can export this video. Depending on the video's size and complexity, it can take up to 30 or 40 minutes to export the video, while shorter videos can be exported in as little as 5 minutes. In our next video, we'll talk about documents and some other advanced features for users who want to enhance their videos even further. Thanks so much for watching.